Good Wednesday afternoon, meteorologist Dean Davis from the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We're talking about the precipitation we're going to be seeing and then the extreme wind we're going to be seeing. We're actually going to be seeing a lot of wind, and this is going to be an issue coming up here going into Thursday night into Saturday, especially here in the D.C., anywhere from Philadelphia south here to D.C., Roanoke, North Carolina mountains. We have a high wind watching effect, and most likely a lot of this area become a high wind warning. We're talking about damaging winds that brings down trees, power lines. We will show you that on this segment. We're first going to take a look at the NAM nest. Just came in. You can see bouts of rain kind of come through, and this is going to continue straight in to Thursday and to Friday. You see we may have a line of showers, possibly some thunderstorms. Let's watch for a high shear low cape event. And then we're going to have another line go through, and it's just going to become very windy after that. And some snow up north. That's potential also. So I'm going to take this into precipitation type and show you that. You see around here in Virginia, where it's going to be all rain. And I'll also go through how much rain. You'll see snow coming down through areas of Ohio on the day on Friday, then over into parts of northern New Jersey, and then it'll change over here in parts of Massachusetts. The other thing I'm going to show you here, let me see, is wind gusts. I'm going to back this up, and I'm also going to go to the NAM for this too. The GFS, but you're going to see the winds increase here as we head in to the area of Friday. And let's just go over the GFS. This might be easier to pull for wind speeds. Actually, no, I'm just pull the regular NAM. Here's your watches and warnings. You see the high wind watch along DC south and parts of Pennsylvania here. So stick with me, thank you. Let's see. Convective. I don't think it's going to be a convective products. At 925 wind speed. I'll move back to the NAM nest. And I'll just back up one. Sometimes you have to play around with this. This will be active 12Z, which is even better because that'll show the 12Z is better to me than the 18Z run on these things. And let me see. Now we just got to get up all the products and move you over to wind gust. And you'll see it coming. You see where these lines are. Look at this. 50 miles an hour. Roanoke, Bedford County. This is during the daytime. And it just stays and increases up to almost 50 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts. Nice low developing off here. Jersey, 58. These are knots, not miles an hour, by the way. So we're talking in the 50s to 60 mile an hour range. And they're right on the mountains east of the Blue Ridge. It's going to be a blast of wind. A long-term winding event likely to cause some power outages and some damage here in Virginia, up through New Jersey. Blizzard-like conditions with the snow, or after snow, any of the snow does actually stick, may actually become an issue with blowing after the storm. That being said, we got to watch this out, and we're going to watch this very closely. We're going to keep reminding you, please take your furniture in now. Don't wait. We need you to do that because we're expecting some damaging winds. Do not light any fires for burning brush because it will absolutely spread fast. So we got to watch this out, and we will hear the Weather Pros and Live Weather Blog. We'll keep you updated. Meteorologist Dean Davis, and thanks for watching. Please be safe, and please take this high wind into advisement.